Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Tiffany says, good to see Jeffrey being out front. LOL, I remember we used to only hear his voice in the videos. Tiffany, he is not enjoying being out front more. To be fully transparent, Jeffrey is a behind the scenes kind of person. But I told him, I said, look, I need you out there a little bit more now, because sometimes your girl, I like to talk, but it's nice to have somebody to talk with. And then, he has a different perspective. Even though we do the business together, the way Jeffrey and I feel about the business is different, in the sense that, sometimes I might be more willy-nilly. He's more straight-laced like Angela was, when it comes to obeying the laws or whatever. Not that I don't obey the laws, but I'm kind of like, how can I make that work? So anyway, but Jeffrey, he's a little more straight-laced and stuff. So, and opposites attract, right? So yeah, that's another reason why I'm like, you gotta do this business with me. I'm more out front, because he do all the behind the scenes stuff. I mean, like the videos, the podcasts. We even have a blog now, people. 2025, we even have a blog. So check out the blog. The email, I went in a different direction with the email. If you are not signed up for the email newsletter, so the email is not going to be a whole bunch of junk. I decided to take the emails in a different direction this year too. So our emails are not going to be just sell, right? That's what they should consist of according to, popular beliefs in the social media world and stuff. But I decided I'm going to probably be taking most of my YouTube videos, and I teach so much in there, take the script from that, and that's going to be the email newsletter. So if you miss something here, you can catch it in the newsletter. So if you're not signed up, I highly recommend it. It's not going to be, like I said, a whole lot of buy this, buy that, sell. I'm selling courses, I'm doing this. You already know what I do. You already know where it's at when you get ready to come and be a part of it. So there's no need for that. But I do want you to receive some tips and gems. So the email is going in a different direction. Again, we started a blog. 2025 is just going to be freaking amazing. There's no other way to say it. There's no other way. I'm so excited about the direction of our business. I'm so excited. My personal business. So how long I've been here? 30. I got a few more minutes because I'm trying to let this traffic die down. I'm telling you, Atlanta traffic. And I don't like to drive it. I don't drive to be live. It's not that I don't like to. I don't do that because I want to read your comments, and I'm not even going to try to act like I'm going to be on the... That's so unsafe. You ain't supposed to be on your phone. All right, let's see. So Early says, I found you last year when I was first starting my business and pretty much try to take every one of your trainings that I could get my hand on. They were all great. Thank you. I appreciate it, Early. And check out the new ones too. I really appreciate it. Demary, hey Demary, she's in mentorship and had a little situation yesterday. I'm so sorry, girl. What happened with your signing yesterday? I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna talk about that while you're live here really quick, and we can talk about it in session tonight. We actually have live mentorship tonight. We are doing notary signing agent reviews. So I want you to bring your page. We're gonna look at it, see how we can tweak it and get more signings. Because a lot of times the pages ain't correct. If your profile is not right, you're not going to get no jobs. That's just real talk. So we're going to look at signing agent profiles tonight. If you don't make the live, you can always catch the replay. But that's happening tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern. So you still have time to sign up for it. So in Demary's case yesterday, her client hired her to go out and do a document. And based on some of the parameters, I felt it might be one of those documents that they trying to push the client to sign, and that's kind of what happened, and the client declined to sign it. So you handled that like a pro, Demir. You was prepared, and it's not your fault. It happens. That's just the cost of doing this kind of business. Sometimes you're going to sign, sometimes you're not. Okay, and that's not your fault. Chantel says, I've been taking care of mom. She's declining. Oh, Chantel, I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, I have experienced that with my own, with the loss of my mom. So I'll be praying for you that you guys can have a measure of peace as you're going through this with your mom. Please give her a hug from us, okay? And it's just nice to see you here today. It's been a while, okay? And you take your time in your business. Your mom's health comes first. Your mental health comes first. So just take your time, okay? We're going to be here, God willing, okay? All right. Erlise says, next I will be getting the Apostille course as well. Yeah, girl. If you really want to do apostilles, that's going to change your life. Do you ever know anything about being a proctor? I sure do, Annette. I have a video here on the channel about being a proctor. And it's also talked about in the specialty general notary course book and the actual course. That's part of mentorship. But I'll tell you about being a proctor really quick. And again, you can do your additional research here with us or wherever you like. But being a proctor, you just go watch the client take the test or whatever they're doing, and you sit there and watch them, and you get paid for it. That's an easy job. Now sometimes you gotta sit there all day. Like I had one. Oh, he's driving so fast. I had to sit there. I think the longest I did was 3 hours. Yeah, it was 3 hours. It's all good. When you get paid just sitting there on my phone, and I had my laptop. We was at Barnes and Nobles, so it's all good. Melissa says, how do you know if the field inspection company is legit? They ask so much for your information. I just kept skeptical. LAL, I keep adding services that I offer after watching your videos. Don't be just adding services now. You don't know what you're doing, okay? Please don't just be adding services because Kimmi says she does it. You need to know what you're doing. And I got a course on everything I tell you to do. Or a video here on the channel for free. If you want to do a deep dive, you can join mentorship. If you just want to learn a little bit about it. But don't be just learning a little bit about it and then faking it, okay? I don't like that. I don't, because I want you to be a pro. It ain't just because I want you to join mentorship. I just don't want you to be out here messing up people's documents, okay? I just don't. Demary, it's okay. I appreciate your help. You're welcome, honey. I felt so bad for you yesterday. I really did. And again, it's gonna happen. And when you told me, and I won't share too much because what we talk about in chat and mentorship is private. But and I may occasionally rename and change the stories a little bit so I can share here. But if someone's offering you, like you say, $50, and then they say, well, I'll give you $150 if you go do it right now, red flags start going off. I'm like, why are they paying me so much more? What's the hurry? What's the rush? Etc., right? So I advise you too, if anything just feels weird, if you get that little pit in your stomach or, something like that, make sure that you do your due diligence. Double check it. Move a little slower. Whenever something's happening, I'm trying to see what this lady's doing because she don't look like she's looking. And I just don't want her to run into me. I'm sitting on the parking lot. Remember, I moved to a bad spot because of the lighting. The sun is so bright. I guess I'm gonna get ready to go because it's almost 10:30. The sun is in her eyes too, and she just rolling and texting. She looking, I guess. But anyway, yeah, always do a double take. If they're asking you and offering you a whole lot of money to go do something, move a little slow. I'll just be like, oh, you're gonna pay me $200, I'll be there. Nope. Why are you paying me $200? What is the job? Do they know I'm coming? Sometimes you gotta triple ask that. Do they know I'm coming? Sometimes they'll set you up, like divorce documents and stuff like that. They know they have the document, they need to sign it, but they will. And that client might not know you're coming. So I always ask questions. Questions equal money. You heard it here first in case somebody try to steal it. I've been saying it for years, but a little bit of that's going on. People stealing stuff. So, but what's yours is yours. I don't worry about it. I think about it, but I don't worry about it. Because people do steal other people's stuff. There's too much of that going on nowadays. I could never. But then too, is there really an original thought? No. Nothing new under the sun. It's in the Bible. Ain't nothing new. Nothing new. Just repackaged. So if somebody do kind of steal my stuff, it's okay. I've watched somebody else and stole something they did or was inspired by it. That's a nicer way to say it. I was inspired by the information that she put out. It was inspirational that I liked what she did. See the difference between she stole my stuff, so ain't nothing really that new under the sun. All right. So Chantel says, thank you. Yeah, Chantel, we got you in our prayers, baby. And just take care of mom right now, okay? Melissa says, only the ones I'm comfortable with and definitely after training. Okay, Melissa. Yeah, don't be faking it till we make it. I ain't trying to hear that. Angel, you so funny. All right, y'all got anything? Any more questions? What's up? Anything else? Before I head out, I'll probably hang out maybe 5 more minutes. We got a few more people because it's almost 10:30, so the traffic should have died down, and I'm almost finished with my coffee. I will give y'all one more tip. So what I did with this client, I want to show you. For those who are watching, you won't be able to see this, of course, on the podcast. But if you're listening, but I put the client's name on my folder here, and I put the country because I have 2. This one is going to Venezuela. Okay, just FYI. So I had these little manila folders. They don't cost that much, guys. People are so cheap. They'll just hand a client a document in their bare hands. I would never do that. I keep folders in my notary bag, okay? I keep these in my bag because I don't want to be ghetto, okay? Don't hand nobody no document in their hand. So this one is for this client. You don't know them, so I can say their name. It's Zachary there. And this one is going to Panama, okay? Panama. So I do that so I can make sure when I get down there, I'm organized, okay? Got my 2 packages, my 2 sets of documents. Yeah, because they don't like you to be unorganized. And then this is that way I don't get them mixed up too when I give them back to my clients. So that was just one more tip. Y'all know I've been dropping some gems. All right, guys. Well, I am going to get out of here because I got to meet the second client. Oh, that's the last piece I'm going to tell you that I'm going to go for real. So one of these clients, he's going to come to me and pick it up. I offered to take it back to him, but he was like, I'll come to your office. He said, I'll come to your office. I said I was going to stop doing that, saying it every time I drink this coffee. Okay, that's the end of the coffee. And always keep your coffee away from your documents, okay? That's why I put everything away in case it spilled. I'm going to get ready to put my seatbelt on. So one of my clients, though, he is going to come and pick up his document from me. And then the other one is the one that live in Buckhead, the one I had to pay Angela to help me with. He and I are going to meet somewhere. So I'm going to give him somewhere that's convenient for me. Matter of fact, when I finish with you guys, I'm going to see where can I meet him at. It's going to take me at least 40 minutes to get down there. So I'm going to see where can I meet him at, maybe in maybe an hour and a half. Because I always like to give a little leeway in there. I recommend you do the same, more gems. But I'm see can we meet in about an hour and a half, and then he can get his document. And then that's it. I got one more of my translation being picked up later today, or I might have to take it to her. But that's been delivered by FedEx. So we'll do translation a whole nother day. But these tips about Apostille today were something that you guys needed to know, okay? Get these last few comments, and then we are out. Annette says, thank you for the gems. You're so welcome. Melissa says, be safe and blessed. You are always appreciated for special gems. Oh, I appreciate it. I love you guys too, okay? So until next time, guys, this is Notary Educators with Kimmi. Oh, I even changed the name of the YouTube channel. I think y'all know that. Maybe y'all didn't. But we had so many changes at Notary Educators, guys. All for the best. I'm making the brand more cohesive. I still had to put my name in there because I am Kimmi. And I am Notary Educators. Let's be clear. But I just like my name. I just like my name. Kimmi. Okay? Kimberly, Kimmi, whatever. So anyway, it's Notary Educators with Kimmi now instead of Notary Life with Kimmi. So I've seen a lot of good things with that happening too. So you got to evolve in your business. You have to change. You have to be open to change. You know, again, we've had quite a few with staffing and everything else, but you have to be able to embrace the change and move on, or you will be stuck. You will be stuck. So I'm grateful that I'm able to change. Has it always been easy to pivot? Nope, not at all. But I'm grateful that I am that person. I don't mind trying it. And all you could do, not, my father used to say, nothing beats a failure but a try, or something like that. And not to have a defeatist attitude. My father was real big on, you can do it. Yes, you can. So I think that's where I get that from. I'm grateful for that, you know. So that's another story, guys. I am going to head out. I'm going to say bye. I'm going to cut this live off. Until next time, Notary Educators with Kimmi. Much success to you. Bye. Got to go do these apostilles.